Level 1, low. That's 2, low, with the light on. You can kind of see the vapor coming out. There's high with the light on, and high with the light off. And as you can see, all it has is just that little button right there that tells it if it's high or on or what level it is. There's no other buttons anywhere around that. And then that light will also turn red when the water is low, and it will shut off.
This is a review of the Pure Humidifier. Alright, so what you can do is take this off, fill it with water. We just use tap water. Push it down. This is how it turns on. Touch of a button, really quiet. You can press it again and the night light comes on. That's how you adjust the steam strength. I think this is a lower steam level. That's how you turn it off. And the nozzle on top, you can move it to face whatever direction you want, or you can just move the humidifier itself. And the steam that does come out of it, it is cold air. So, you know, even if it does spill or drop over, it's not going to hurt anyone.
You can see the 4 modes. That is low. That is low with the night light on. That is high with the night light on. And that is high with the night light off. And that is usually where I keep it. I find that I can actually get a full day or 2 nights on high when the container is completely full. And then that's off again.
As in